Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce the Wilktop light emitted diode LED interior lighting for our car. Whoa, look how beautiful and cool this looks like. This is really awesome, I think. It's so much awesome upgrade for your interior of your car. It is a 6-meter LED car strip, RGB strip for light, for interior light. It's a neon light for your car, for your truck. It is powered by 12-volt power supply, so you can't use your cigarette lighter to get the power of this LED bunch here. And you have to cut this 6-meter so as you like. It's the best way to make 80 centimeters up to 1 meter each cable or each light strip, and then the power is good for every strip there. And then you can dock them to each LED beam. There are a lot of LED beams possible, so you can make approximately 5 times lines for your entire interior at your car. That's really awesome. And we have an awesome ambient light, an interior lighting for your car. Of course, it is possible to get this in another dimensions on the market. Yes, of course, there are LED stripes in it, but I think this way here is so a lightning device cable system. It means there is a little tube, and this tube, it looks like a T. This you attach between your interior or clamp it between two parts of your interior easily. And then you have to slide this light tube into the T cable. And after that, you connect this to the LED beam, and then you can choose what you like. The random thing is a blue light. It looks awesome. Of course, you can make more colors available if you're going to dock the app with your system. The system will be powered by your cigarette lighting system, and then you can connect it via your smartphone via Bluetooth with the app. And after this, you'll have a really awesome bunch of so much colors. And we have sound active effects. The LED under the car glow system is equipped with noise sensors that allows the LED lights to be synchronized with the music beat. The LED light strip follows the beat of the music and flash in sync with the sound. And this is really awesome. That means if you are hearing music, you will have a little disco feeling inside your car. And we can adjust the brightness, color, temperature. The LED light features a mode to adjust the brightness of the color temperature. If we feel that the light is too dark, we can use this mode to adjust the brightness level. And of course, we have a music decoration mode, Elegance, in the car when we drive at night, or while we are enjoying music while we are driving. We can use the app control via Bluetooth connection, and it's suitable for iOS and Android. It's really easy to use, as you can see. Download the app, get the app into the Bluetooth mode, switch on your car, that means switch on your cigarette lighter, and then you can dock it easily via the app. And then you're able to adjust nearly everything. The color, the rhythm, so many templates you can choose as you like. And That means we have a 360 degrees adjustable app. It's easy to install, low power consumption, energy saving, and environmentally friendly. And we have a long service life because it's durable. And of course, we have a fall sleep mode. The indicator light does not flicker but remains illuminated, which improves visual resolutions and improves efficiency. Continuous operation can reduce the visual fatigue and protect the vision. Flexible and waterproof this system is. It can be bent into nearly any shape and cut to any length of the light angle. Of course, you should look, maybe each line should not longer than 1 meter because the lightning power, okay, is the best if you are under 1 meter each cable. And then there's nothing you can worry about because it's so easy to attach, so easy to install, so nice in looking after you attached it to your system. This is the Wilktop light emitted diode interior lighting. 6 meter of LED car LED strips. That's awesome. And you clamp them into your halo of your car interior. You have two parts, they're coming together, and then the T cable for this LED strips can pushed into that edge. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.